Hey friends, if you encounter this issue that start menu automatically closes whenever you click on it, okay, like you just clicked on it, it opened and it closed immediately, then please watch this video. So obviously try restarting the computer, right click on the start button, shut down and sign out and restart if you can. And the second one is to restart File Explorer. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the processes to load, and once they do, right click on Windows Explorer and then select restart. Now why are we restarting the File Explorer? Because the start menu is simply a subset of the File Explorer. The next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and then click on update now, or check for updates or install or whatever option you have. Okay. And the last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.